earn PayPal money doing surveys on your phone. Do you have a smartphone? Do you have some time and you're willing to put in a little bit of extra work? And I'm going to show you how you can earn some money just by using your phone. So if you have a iPhone or you have an Android, this is going to be a great video for you. So I'm going to show you the apps that you need to download. And once you put them on the phone, you can do some surveys and you can make some money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn some PayPal money doing surveys using your phone. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. So happy to have you here. I talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and also entrepreneurship. And I give you ways, tips, and ideas so you can go out there and you can make some money. Now, this method is pretty cool. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is just download the apps onto your phone. And once you got a PayPal account, you can get started right away. If you don't have a PayPal account, I highly recommend you sign up for one right now. If it's not recommended in your country, some of these surveys probably can pay you in gift cards. So just watch the video all the way to the end. You just don't know how it's going to work. So we're going to jump into things right away and we're going to get started. So the first app that you can download that you can earn money online using your phone is an app called Panel App. So in order to go to this particular website, you could just either go to Google Play Store or you could go to the App Store. If you have a device such as like a tablet or a computer, make sure you go to the website and it says getpanelapp.com. So it will take you directly to the main website. And then once you come on here, you can, this particular website, they will pay you to do surveys, you earn points, and you also can redeem the prizes as well. And it's all for free. They don't need any money for you to sign up, which is pretty cool. So let me just zoom in right here and you could see down here, you can boost your earnings just by referring a friend or a family member to the app. So you can also make a little bit of money to the side. So if you know a few people, you know, family members, friends who want to do some surveys as well and have a little bit of time, this will take some effort. Of course, this is not going to get you like super rich, but it can give you a little bit of money. So if you use these two apps, it will add up and you can make some money right away. So what they do is you're in control, data is collected in the background. So this particular website, they just want to track your, they just want to track your activity on the internet. So that means if you go on Google, they track your internet. If you go on Facebook, they track your, not track your internet, they track your activity. If you go to YouTube, if you go to Instagram, if you go on Yahoo, if you buy something, they will not share your data. They will not take your information because they, of course, want to make sure that, you know, the privacy policy is great. So if you want to come down here and they have the LLC, it's like Foursquare Labs in the UK, you can read through this. It's a lot of information. I always highly recommend you read through it before you even do anything. So that way you know exactly what you're doing. So top picks, you know, like trending, like food, coffee, nightlife, fun. So they track everything that you do, but of course they will not sell your information for sure. It's a great points program. So if you see the points structure on here, again, they make sure that they put that in terms and condition in white, what they call it, white print. And let me just back up for a little bit so you can get there. So you can just put your phone number in and they will just send you the information. You can click on the App Store, you can go on the Google Play Store. So let me click on the iTunes. So right here you see earn cash, take surveys, collect points, right? So it's a 4.5 out of 5. That is good. And there's people down here already highly recommending the app. So come on here, check it out, see if it's something that you want to do and download it to your phone and see if it works in your country. All right. So the next app that I'm going to share with you and the ways how you can earn money and earn some PayPal money is Surveys to Go. So if you go to surveysonthego.com, surveys on the go. So be heard, get paid. You could get paid just by signing up for this. So you can sign up for an account. They have the Apple, they have the Google, and you get paid cash. So this is all surveys. You make a little bit of money here and there, but as I said before, it's not gonna get you super rich. They got a great video on here. So made $3 for 10 minutes worth of surveys. That's pretty cool. So that's like $3 right there. That person just made is just for signing up. So if you click on the Google Play Store, you see it's compatible to your device. It's a 4.6. That is huge. I really okay. So you can look and see. This is recently. This is like a day ago or so. I really like that the payout from the app is lower than the surveys. It's easier to attain and less discouraging. I also really like how they simplify the whole process of taking surveys. It's been several months and I keep getting paid. So this person is getting paid over and over again. Likewise, they have surveys. And of course, right? I did like it's easy. This person did my first redeem just under $24 for Starbucks. So that review was 116 and I'm still using it. So this person has been using it and it's not going to get you super uber rich. As I mentioned before, it's not going to make you a lot of money. However, it's something that you could do and make some money on the side because I know most of you always trying to reach out and say, hey, is there any way that I could do some surveys and try to get paid? So this is a great way how to earn some PayPal money and gift cards or whatever it is, just doing surveys on your phone. So sign up for these two websites, work both of them at the same time. If you do some surveys on this one, you do it on the same one, on the other one. So that way, when you get a lump sum of money, right, you can use it to do something with it. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Do remember to check out AndreMillerOnline.com and I'll send you over my #1 recommendation. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.